Today I'll show you how to check the Gmail spam and junk folder. Before we begin, there's one quick thing to know. In Gmail, the folder is usually called spam, not junk. So if you're looking for junk mail in Gmail, the place you want is the spam folder. Google says emails you report as spam, and messages Gmail automatically identifies as suspicious are sent there. Google also notes that messages in spam are automatically deleted after 30 days. If you're using the Gmail app on your phone, start by opening the app and tapping the menu icon in the top left corner, then scroll down and tap Spam. Once you open it, you'll see emails Gmail marked as spam, along with messages you may have manually reported earlier. If you open one of those emails and decide it should not be there, Gmail gives you the option to mark it as not spam. If you're using Gmail on a computer, open Gmail in your browser and look at the menu on the left side. If you do not see spam right away, click More, then select Spam. Google's help pages and community guidance both show that spam may be hidden under the expanded menu on desktop, so sometimes you need that extra click to find it. Now, if you want to search specifically inside your spam folder, there's a useful Gmail search trick. You can type is :spam in the search bar to search messages in spam. That can help a lot if you're looking for one missing email instead of scrolling through the whole folder manually. And if you want to clean it out, Gmail gives you the option to delete spam messages. On mobile, you can tap Empty Spam Now, and on desktop, you can click Delete All Spam Messages Now. Just remember that once you remove something permanently, it may be much harder to recover later. So, the easiest way is simple. Open Gmail, go to the menu, tap or click Spam, and check there for emails that may have been filtered out of your inbox. That's also the folder people often mean when they say the Gmail junk folder, and that's how to check the Gmail spam and junk folder. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.